Hey everybody, Bronson here with Bright Star Auctions. We're here today with another good Ford F700 dump truck. This one has 70,678 miles on it. It is powered by the 7.0 liter V8 gas engine, has a 5-speed manual transmission with a 2-speed rear end. 26,000 pound gross vehicle weight rating on it, does have air brakes. The bed on this guy is 10 foot long by 8 inches wide, or I'm sorry, 10 foot long by 8 feet wide. Good running truck, starts, runs, operates as it should. The bed works as it should, does have a tarp cover on the top, multi-way rear gate. This is selling August 30th at the Michiana Equipment Auction at our home base, Middlebury, Indiana. Starts at 9 o'clock. Would love to see you there. Tune in online. Of course, this is a no reserve auction. The high bidder will be the happy new owner. Let's give this a listen. Again, August 30th, Michiana Equipment Auction. Feel free to call 574-210-3721. Thanks for tuning in.